My charred caprese salad. Super simple, okay? Starting with a log of fresh mozzarella, right? It comes wrapped in plastic. So let's start with some store-bought balsamic glaze. This stuff is fantastic. Save a little bit of that for later. Next, we're gonna take dried Italian seasoning, right? You want the dry stuff. It's got all those herbs in one. Next, some granulated garlic. Then some black pepper and sea salt. We're gonna literally mix this all up now, and this is gonna be our spice rub. Take that fresh mozzarella log and just roll it all up in that rub. And that balsamic glaze makes everything stick to that. Now, if we put this on now, it'll probably melt pretty quickly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna freeze it. Just give it a little blast of coldness to help set it up. All right, you can see it's set up nice, right? Super cold, the plate's even frosty, so it's all there. Before we throw this on the grill, we're gonna give it a nice little polymerization with some oil and a paper towel. Beautiful, good, just like that. Just a little touch. So about a minute or two aside, really, really quick. You can see the smoke's happening right there. Oh, look at that, beautiful.
Oh my God.
Let's give it another set, do that other side right there, quick. Slide it up, and voila. Look at those beautiful char marks. We melted it, we activated all those herbs in there. We're gonna let this chill out for just a little bit, and let's work on those other two key ingredients of any great caprese. So let's start with this little kind of one that has a little green and a little red in there. Gotta love it. You wanna cut these not too thick, about 1/4 of an inch or so you can fan them out. Save that. Let's do some yellow. Look at this. Of course, a sharp knife always helps. We got a nice plate here. And now we could slice this, right? Because we let it set. It's still got a little chill in there from the freezer. So you don't want it too thick. Put this right on top, right above those tomatoes. All right, and that third final ingredient is the basil, which I have fresh, ready to go here. A little bit of your favorite olive oil right there. Drizzle on top. Nothing wrong with that. All right, and then we do a little bit more of that balsamic glaze for a little added sweetness.
Oh my God.
Right? And then a couple chunky pinches of sea salt. And there you have it, the first ever charred caprese salad. We did it all outside, all on the grill. We have achieved a goal.